What's up everyone, it's Liz. Today I'm going to walk you through some of the basics of what boards are in Monday.com. This won't take long, so let's get started. Okay, so we're on the home screen and we're going to be looking at boards in Monday.com. You want to think of it as a virtual whiteboard. This is going to give you that bird's eye view of everything that's going on with a project. It could be tasks, day-to-day things that you and your team members are working on. So we're going to look at one example right here. So we have a social media post board, and here we have different columns. Now the columns are pretty cool because you can organize them, you can edit them, you can move them around however it is that you would like. So here we have an item, and you can really give it any type of title that you want. And next to it, we could start a conversation about this particular item. So you could start a conversation with a teammate, and those who are involved in that particular task will get notified. Next, you have the person or the people who are involved. Then you have your status. So you can actually, if you click on this, you can edit your labels and add new labels if you'd like, but they just come with a few standard ones, but you can always edit these as you like. Then we have our date, which would be typically our due date. You can also attach files and links. I really like this one because you can really do a lot in this. So you can attach links, anything from your Google Drive or Dropbox directly. So that's pretty cool because it keeps everything very centralized. Now, if I click on this plus button right here, you're going to see I can add a column. And you can add really whatever columns that you want. A cool one is maybe priority. So you can decide if it's going to be critical, high priority, whatever it is. You can edit your labels however you want. You could change the coloring on them as well. So we can do something like that. You can also move your columns around. So I'm just going to move it over. And I can decide that some of these are critical, some of these may just be low, whatever it is. But these are your boards, and this is how you can manipulate a board. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a new board, and we're going to actually use one of the templates that Monday.com already has. So you can go in here, you can look around, there's a lot of different templates. You can narrow down what you're looking for based on design, freelancers, project management, whatever it is that you want. You can create it here. So I'm just going to use this as an example of the employee lifecycle package. We're going to use the template. So now that I have the template, I can edit this as I want. Again, some of these templates will have what you want, but you can also add additional columns. You can add more information. You could really do whatever it is that you want. When you select a template, they may also have things like this. If I click on this tab, you see there's a form, and these are the forms that are completed, and you see that it's feeding into the table that you're receiving here. Then there's also another tab called a chart. And in here, this is going to give us some charts that they've created. Again, you can move these around as you see fit. If you decide you want to have it in a different order, you can move them around. You can also add more tabs. So if you click on the tab, you're going to see a bunch of different options of things that you can do with this. Look through all of this, choose what you want. If you look around, you're going to notice that there's just a lot of different things that you can do with the different boards in Monday.com. So my biggest suggestion is go in there, look at some of the templates, start messing around. Don't be afraid to try new things. You can always move things around if they're not in the order that you want. If you wanted to change the way something is named, you can just click on it and you can change the name. So it's very simple. So that's a basic overview of what a board is in Monday.com and how you can create them either from scratch or using a template. And that's it. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Until next time, ciao.